Hello, this is me again, V, trying to redo my recording from the editor video tutorial because my first video was a bit too short. Okay, so I have opened up Screencast-O-Matic here and I am recording, and what you do is, for example, to start a new discussion topic, you go back to the forum, start a new topic, enter the subject and click on the downward arrow and begin typing whatever you would like to convey. So for example, I'm going to do this and say, hi, I hope this video tutorial is what you were looking for. And then I'm going to go to the bottom of the page and say post to forum here, and this gets posted to the forum. And there we are. It says a new discussion topic, recording from the editor video tutorial was started by V and sent. I hope this is what you were talking about, Eva. Thank you.